I decided to change things up tonight. I'm not going to be at a truck stop like I've been at for so many other nights. I'm staying at this rest stop right off I-80. And you know, this is actually one of the nicest rest stops I've ever been at. Let's take a look. I'm trying to figure out what this statue means or is all about, but there's no sort of plaque or label or anything on it. There are ladybugs, though. Here's one. And here's another one. Number 3. Told you so. I see a couple other vehicle dwellers who are clearly getting ready to also sleep in their cars. It's kind of nice to know that I'm not the only one. I think I'm going to head back to the car. I have a couple things I need to do. First of all, my windshield wipers hardly work anymore. I was driving in the rain the other day and they were going rrr, rrr. I know it's time for some new ones, so I went to Walmart today. My favorite YouTube mechanic swears by these silicone wiper blades instead of the standard rubber ones. They were a lot more expensive, but apparently they last way, way longer, so I'm going to give it a shot. And just in time too, because it's literally starting to rain. The biggest drawback of being in a space this compact is when I need to get into the front seat, I need to physically go out this door, then go around to the front, which is a pain when it's nighttime or when it's raining, like right now. But overall, it's not bad. After work the next day, I continued west. Nebraska seemed to be a lot like, well, Nebraska. But wait, do my eyes deceive me? What do we have here? As I got closer, there was a sparkling blue lake for as far as the eye could see. Had I hit California already? Nope, this was Ogallala, Nebraska. Why don't more people hang here? Well, what an unexpected afternoon of water. But the mountains in the west were calling my name, and I had to keep moving. See you later, Nebraska.